This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Karn Johnson. Water view, yes please. Stunning lake view with amazing sunsets. Welcome to Sun City Center 55 plus life. This popular twintree model has a double suite floor plan with an expanded lanai and an additional built-in office space for 1,900 square feet of spacious living. Since 2019, the home has been completely painted inside and out, new interior 6-panel doors, new hot water heater, all new appliances, new bath vanities, new tub, new shower heads, new toilets, new laundry with tons of storage, a beverage fridge, utility sink, and amazing granite countertop, removal of all old tile and flooring replaced with new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the home, new tall modern baseboards, new ceiling fans and lights, updated electrical outlets and panel, eco-friendly rubber mulching and new landscaping, new wood planks on the dock, extended panels over the screened porch, larger downspouts on the porch, new center picture window and lanai, and new privacy screen sliders on garage door. AC is 2015. Roof is 2015. Electric hurricane shutters for picture windows. Irrigation comes from the lake. Lawn mowing covered by Sun Lakes III POA dues. This is a gem. If you love to watch the sunsets over a water view, this is the home for you. Do what you love to do at a price you can afford. Make friends and enjoy the later years. Clubs galore in a golf cart community. Dip in the pool. Peruse the library. Learn pickleball. Make pottery. Take trips to entertainment and sporting events. Churches, groceries, restaurants, shopping all within a golf cart drive. Disney? 90 minutes Busch Gardens? 45 minutes beaches? Several within miles. Tampa? 30 minutes. What are you waiting for? For more information, review the details below.